got my rights, so do you. I work my day, I choose my way, I pay my dues. Well,
hello everyone, how are you guys doing? This is Bob. I'm riding a Hawaiian trike. Today we're going to continue our ride in the Makapuu area. Last week we were up at the lighthouse. Today right here we're at the lookout point, and then we're going down the hill to the beach park. And then we're going to ride along a beautiful coastline, lots of blue water. So everybody hang on tight, we're taking off.
I declare from your rules of disrepair, if you do less than I owe more, how's that fair? If I'm left, or if I'm right, don't you take away my sight. I ain't blind, don't justify your imminent crime. Oh, yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna try something tricky. We got the long pole. Let me adjust that and get it just right. And yeah, pretty cool. Look at that water. And you guys see those rocks over there, that cliff? And there's a swell coming in. Well, imagine during the right time of the year, those swells are 6-7 feet and they're fat. These are the fattest waves I've ever surfed. And this is where I bring my paddleboard and go body surfing or paddle surfing. I think we should go down and visit my old haunt. Check this out. That's Rabbit Island. Back when I was 19 years old, every morning I'd get up, drive out here, get my fins, get my board, and go surfing, body surfing. Back then nobody surfed here. It was mostly body boards. They didn't even have boogie boards. Guys, I haven't been back here for a while. I live out in the North Shore now, and I don't paddleboard. Maybe I should come out and try to paddleboard out here. Look at this. But I've seen this place big, and I've seen swells go across the entire bay. And then in my 40s and 50s, I took up bike riding, a little bit more of that. So I would come out and ride my bike from Kailua. It's about a 30 miler. Maybe not, maybe not 25. And I'd ride up to the lighthouse, ride back down, and back down along this coast. And I did that every weekend just about. I had a lot of rides. And when we get to Kailua on our tour, I'll show you a bunch of places. That's my original hometown.
If I'm right, don't you take away my sight. I ain't blind, don't justify your imminent crime. Oh, yeah. Well, say young, just 19. It was a strange new world. It was a cool scene. out in my bedroom, dreaming of what we could be. We started to bloom. We were once young, just 22. The world was exploding. We were two. So we planted a seed. We made history. We took the next step. We chose our destiny. We saw the moon jump over the cow. Spaceships were flying, 3 feet underground. Time to think different, change all the rules. Do you really have to ask, what was Steve do? Young, just 30-something. Found me a woman, she was really something. And I watched as she caught me. My life was rearranging between the tunes and the ocean. The times they were a-changing. We saw the moon jump over the cow. Spaceships were flying.
That was Makapuu Beach. Body surfing place. There's Rabbit Island. And I'm ashamed that I don't know the name of that other island. I used to know it at one time. There's a Hawaiian name for sure. Campgrounds below us here. A lot of fishermen come out here. So let's take a little stop here. If you haven't been here before, you don't know what the name of this beach is called. So, I'm going to give you guys 3 guesses. Let's see, is the first Waimea Bay? No, not Waimea Bay. Is it Sandy Beach? No, it's not Sandy Beach. How about Cockroach Bay? And you're going to ask me, why is this called Cockroach Bay? Well, when there's a swell here, it's very small, and all the little kids get out and surf, and we call them cockroaches. They scurry across the... So it's a great place for little guys to learn how to surf. So now you know it's called Cockroach Bay. No waves today. Let's go take a look over here. We saw some hang gliders out there earlier. I'm not going to hide things from you guys. This is where some of the homeless live. You know? We don't want to see the dog. We're going to go this way. All right, we're going back this way. We're dog chasers, all right? That's because Bob is an explorer. He goes out and looks at these places, and I don't want no dog chases again. Learn my lesson. This is Cockroach Bay, right? Remember that. So when you get little grandchildren and you want to take them out surfing, all right, we're going to go down this coastline here. Okay, gorgeous bay. Sorry, no drone flying. There's a lot of traffic on this road. Well, we have a little shoulder for now. I wonder if we could go on this. I've never asked. So this is the Makai Research Pier, but they won't let me go on there. Notice these cliffs to our left here. That's where the hang gliders are jumping off of. This is the Ko'olau mountain range that goes all along the windward shores of Oahu, from the southeast point to the northeast point. And that's where I live, on the northeast. Well, we have a nice shoulder on this side, not much of a shoulder on the other side. Now we've got some pretty nice homes here. This is not the Gold Coast that we had before, but you're at the multi-millions here. You see all these cars parked here, all with the ladders? They're working on this property. And this was the property that they filmed Magnum PI on. You know, Tom Selleck, Magnum PI. This is that guy's house. I have no idea what it's going to be. And for my relatives, you guys know this place is called Shriners. It's my family would hang out when we were kids. I don't have much of a shoulder here. So this is the beginning of the beach community of Waimanalo. And it goes all the way to that mountain range up ahead, which is called Olomana. So again, not much of a shoulder. This is kind of like North Shore. It's kind of like that community, if you remember that. Fortunately, we don't have any cars right now. 80% of the Ko'olau mountain range is like this. Very steep cliffs on one side. And here's our beautiful coastline. Look at all that sandy beach, people. That's a lot of sandy beach. And this isn't Waikiki, this is just a little coastal community. Let's see if we can get on the grass here and ride along.
We saw the moon jump over the clouds. Spaceships were flying 3 feet underground. Time to think different, change all the rules. Do you really have to ask, what was Steve do? We were once young, I can't remember. I sang you my last song. It was an eve in September. They said how great it was that we chased our dream, and how life was supposed to drift by like a wandering stream. We saw the moon jump over the cow. Spaceships were flying 3 feet underground. Time to think different, change all the rules. Do you really have to ask what was Steve do? So who's a believer in the things to come? Who could believe we were once young? We were once young. We were once young.
Well, we just got back home from a great ride today. We started at Makapuu Lookout, then down to Makapuu Beach Park, and then along the beautiful coastline that goes through Waimanalo town. Then we stopped by Waimanalo Beach Park and had a great ride there too. Folks, we're getting very close to my childhood neighborhood, and I'm looking forward to sharing a lot of videos with you. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our ride today, and thanks for checking in the channel. If you're new to us, hey, aloha, welcome to the Hawaiian Trike Ohana. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that button. Tell your friends all about us. You guys have a great week. I'll talk to you next week. Aloha.
Who could believe